Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Christina River at Coach's Bridge until late tonight, or until the warning is canceled. At 6:31 p.m. Friday, the stage was 9.0 feet. Flood stage is 10.5 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by this evening, and continue to rise to near 12.4 feet this evening. The river will fall below flood stage 5 tonight. In fact, at 10.0 feet, flooding begins in the town of Christiana.
Double header.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the White Clay Creek near Newark until Saturday morning, or until the warning is canceled. At 6:30 p.m. Friday, the stage was 11.8 feet. Flood stage is 13.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by this evening, and continue to rise to near 15.7 feet by tonight. The river will fall below flood stage by after midnight tonight. In fact, at 13.5 feet, businesses in the area begin to flood. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly